Hey guys, we're back with another Unity tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your device vibrate. And this vibrations can be done like anywhere. I'm going to give you a piece of function which you can add it to your anywhere. Like basically if you click buttons, the device is going to vibrate. If this player collides with this platform, is going to create, which is my case. This player, when it falls down and collides with this platform, the screen should the phone should vibrate. And this is like a simple process. This is the platform. I've already added a trigger provider, and I'm going to edit the script. So basically this is what it is. When my platform collides with the player, the game over panel is activated, but we also need the device to vibrate. There is a simple function, public void vibrate device. You can name it anything, and this thing is important. It's handheld dot vibrate, and you're done. That's all you need to do, and then just call this vibrate device method right here, and that's all. You're done. This won't work on your computer or laptop, but this will surely work on your iOS or Android device. So you just save this script and you're done. That's all guys for this video. Hope you liked it. See you guys in the next video.